when a career public official servant pays a price for speaking up, is this a warning or a challenge to others in government?
Gusto kong sagutin siya na it is both a warning and a challenge. Una muna siguro yung it is a challenge. It is a challenge dahil pagdaanan natin yan di ba? From a lowly state auditor 5. And then I said, I'm not happy with what is happening. Kailangang malaman ko ano talaga yung nakita ko, etc. And I blew the whistle, di ba?
Yes.
And then I took the challenge. Sabi ni Relly, is it a challenge and a warning? Na-discuss natin yung that being a challenge. Sa akin gusto kong tingnan yung warning. Kasi
yung warning.
several times ago,
sorry, when you say warning,
warning yung
by the leader
experience.
or by
parehas.
okay, warning.
It's a warning din sa lahat ng nasa loob na kapag you get to be rich but then very quick and di ba? Hindi talaga nag-ano. Ang biro ko nga diyan too much money is a curse. 'Di ba? Kapag sobrang dami ang pera, hindi mo magamit ng
Too
gusto.
much of anything, I think,
Kaya
is
sabi
bad.
nga nila, di ba, power